What is going on, you Brapaholics? I hope you're having a fantastic day. So, I'm kind of in the middle of nowhere right now. I'm on one of our hills right now. I'm just taking a little joyride on Hot Tamale. It's been a rough day. My back's really sore. I went to the chiropractor again. So my back's just really sore, so I was sick of sitting in the chair all day. So taking a very easy joyride, just enjoying the weather. It's very breezy today. Hair's probably all crazy. So I'm gonna just ride around and see if I can find any crazy adventures. I'm on the hill that we usually go sliding on and whatnot. And it's just very overgrown. This used to be really open back in the day, and we'd just ride here quite often on our quads and stuff. We had quite a bit of trails. But yeah, the pine trees just overtook it, the weeds, and it's starting to get really harder to ride in here. So let's see if we can explore down here, probably get stuck, hopefully not, because I don't have a winch. And let's see what we can do. All right, guys, so I've acquired this different mount for the GoPro. We'll see how it works. It's just lower, it's on my chin right now, my helmet. So it's lower. I think the angle is gonna be a little better, because the angle I had on my helmet, it was just high. And I like to kind of see a little bit of the machine that you're on. So I think this will be a little bit better. We'll see how it works. This is a $5 mount I just found on eBay. So it just goes to the chin of the helmet, and we'll see how it works. I think I got the angle right. We'll see. This, I'm just kind of testing this out for now. But yeah, let's there used to be a trail right here. Let's see what we can do. I'm gonna put it in low and 4-wheel because I'm probably gonna need it. Yeah, it's been so long. Oh, this thing does a weird thing where it shuts itself off sometimes. I think it's a fuel thing. Yeah, so this used to be all open. I mean, the pine trees just took off like crazy. It was insane. The deer like to go lay back here too. Yeah, we used to have a trail going up there, but I'm sure that's all overgrown, just like everything else. Try not to. They have these weird patches of grass in here, and it just makes everything dumpy. Yeah, this is usually really wet in the springtime. We're doing some serious two-tracking here. Alright, this is what I bought you for, baby. Let's do it. Let's go. Do it. Alright, so this is the trail that we usually take to go down here. We do hunt up here sometimes too. There's someone's blind is here. We used to have a jump here, but it's kind of washed out now. I just can't believe how much this is overgrown this year. Holy crap. It's crazy. Looks like some animal was borrowing there. I mean, I was up here with my dirt bike not too long ago. I mean, this pine tree must have just recently fell. There's a very steep drop off here. We used to jump this too all the time. Right there. I think there's a rock here somewhere, but I don't quite remember. Pretty steep. Wow. I think I got steeper. Yeah. Whew. A little sketchy. Just a tad bit. ride back here much anymore either. I've showed quite a bit of videos back here, but yeah, it's getting overgrown back here too. Last year I made a video called "Making My Own Trails in the Woods" or something like that. It's gotten quite a bit of views. I was on the dirt bike, I think. It might have been the Honda even. I don't quite remember, but maybe I'll do that again here. I need to bring a chainsaw and trim some of these branches up. Alright. We used to have quite a bit of trails back here, but it got logged I don't know, 10 years ago or more. I don't quite remember how long it was, but they left a mess. They just left branches and crap laying everywhere, and kind of ruined all the trails, and then we just quit riding back here. So I just kind of like to mess around here every now and then. I should be wearing my goggles because I don't want to branch to the eye. That's never fun. See what you can do. My uncle's probably got trail cameras all over the place in here. He's gonna see me just screwing around and probably giving him a show. We're gonna make it through there somehow, I think. This stuff's pretty much dead. It's just standing up still. Like I said, I don't want to stick to the eye. That'd be a great thing not to having. That'd be a good thing not to have. Oh my god, I can't talk. Alright, we're gonna go up through there, I think. Alright. See, like I said, trees everywhere. I mean, that's all dead ash right there, I think. And so that just kind of is dying out from the disease that went through here years ago. But I think I can get around here somewhere. I'm just going to do a little bit of a wide turn here. See what I can make happen. Putting you through the test. Okay. Whew, this looks fun. I don't know if I can make it through there. It's going to suck having to back all the way out of here. I got a tree here and a tree there and a tree there. Might be able to make it over that. It's just pretty high, but we're gonna try, I guess. The thing with this machine is it's pretty big and it's not gonna be easy to lift. Alright. It's gonna be like rock climbing almost. I got a dead stick here. Oh yeah, I don't want that stick going up through there. Have to back up a little bit. Alright, stick. That ain't happening. So my goal is to get the tire up there and just kind of jump it. If I didn't have four-wheel drive, I probably wouldn't be able to do this. Okay. Oh boy. I'm getting in a stickier predicament, I think. There's another tree up here. But I made it over. That's a good thing. Oh. I'm so glad I have plastic bumpers. Just making everything, it's great. Just protecting me from everything. I mean, this is some nice raspberries. Alright. I'm gonna just plod my way through here. I can't see. Wow, those are nice blackberries. Bug. Mosquitoes are getting me. I need to get out of here. Alright. That was a good berry. Whew! Now that was pretty impressive. I'm not gonna lie about that. Not at all. All right. Good girl. Good top tamale. You are a nice girl. Yeah. All right. All right. At this point, I don't really know where I'm going. I mean, I kind of do. I think I'm just kind of, you know, just riding around, trying to find the easiest path to get through here. But I'm probably doing it the hardest way possible. Alright, this is the old trail that got overgrown because the loggers destroyed it. I could probably go over these with this machine, but on the bike it was pretty tricky. They didn't have four-wheel drive. I only had one-wheel drive. And I'm not capable of going 0 miles an hour on the dirt bike. So this is actually not bad. Can't complain too much. There's some mud here. Not much, but you know, there's mud. It gets pretty wet in here. Going from here. Maple syrup buckets. Just easy going. Not gonna get sidetracked. Just gonna keep going straight. We're gonna make it out of here. Gotta keep going. We're getting there. I can see daylight. It's coming. Oh yeah. I have to give Hot Tamale a good look over when we get back. Alright, can we hill climb that? That looks climbable, right? There is a drop off. I don't know if I should. It looks pretty steep if you ask me. But I think we're gonna do it anyways. I'm just scraping the rust off my skid plates, that's all. Yeah, alright. Looks like we're playing back here a little bit. Oh yeah. I think I can jump that again. I don't know if these are coyote tracks, I'm pretty sure. Not quite sure what's all running back here all the time. Oh yeah. That was more of a wheelie jump, but you know, I gotta take it a little easy. I can't be jarring my back too much. Alright, one more and I'll call her good on that. Alright. So we just did a big circle. Oh man, my hips popped. So we take another loop around the field. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this little crazy short adventure that we just went on. I just needed a break from work. It was just a nice night getting into the August weather. Anyways, I hope you liked the video. Please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't yet. You can follow me on Instagram and you can join the Discord server. Also, I'm part of the eBay partnership program. The links I have under the eBay section, any of those links that you click on and then buy, I will get a cut out of that. And especially and I'll have it separated. I have a link that takes you right to my store because I do sell on eBay. So I have a link that takes you right to my store. And anything you buy off my store, with that link, I'll get a cut from eBay. There's no more money out of your pocket. It just helps me out. For some of the gear I have, I also have links to other people's pages so you can help support them as well. I also get a cut from that if you use those links. So I'd really appreciate it if you could check out the products, and it just really helped me a lot. Brock might be getting a razor here this weekend. I unfortunately won't be able to go with him to go get that because I will be at a bachelor party. So hopefully he'll get some footage of that. I'll probably send him with one of my cameras. Hopefully get some footage for you guys. I might have some footage of us fishing on Lake Erie, so we'll see how that goes. I don't know yet. But anyways, I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, we'll get on the trail and see what kind of wheelies we can do now. Now that I'm on firm dirt, I probably won't turn my tires off so bad either. This ain't very straight. Plus I'm going downhill here, but we'll give it a head. Oh, I know what my hitch is hitting the ground. I can't do any wheelies, my hitch is hitting. Wow! Well, that's a bummer. I'll have to take it off.